In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and effective trick to access ChatGPT 4 for free. As technology enthusiasts, we're always on the lookout for ways to utilize state-of-the-art tools without breaking the bank. If you've been wanting to explore the capabilities of ChatGPT 4, but hesitated due to subscription costs, this guide will be a game changer for you. Imagine a tool that enhances your workflow, aids in creative writing, or simply serves as a conversational partner. ChatGPT 4 has capabilities far beyond simple text generation. It understands nuance, context, and can answer a plethora of questions. But enough about its features. Let's dive into the steps that will get you up and running with this trick. To begin, you'll want to open up your chat interface and head straight to your current version of ChatGPT. This is the starting point for making the transition to ChatGPT 4 without a hitch. Having direct access to your chat portal ensures you're ready to implement changes and adjustments smoothly. No special configurations are required, just your usual setup. Now that you're ready, the next step is to log out of your chat account. This might sound counterintuitive at first, but it's a crucial part of the process. Logging out ensures that any active session tethering you to limitations or restrictions is interrupted, effectively resetting your access permissions. Think of it as a necessary reboot that will prepare you for the enhanced features of ChatGPT 4. With those previous steps complete, here comes the straightforward yet transformative part of this tutorial. After you've logged out, you now have ChatGPT 4 available for use. The transition is seamless, allowing you to enjoy the robust features of ChatGPT 4 without any additional fuss. This trick takes advantage of how the service assigns access at login, meaning you only need to ensure a clean session start. Before you rush off to try this trick, remember there are a few pointers to consider. Ensure your internet connection is stable to prevent any disruptions during login and maximize your experience. It's also a good idea to clear your browser cache if you encounter issues, as this can help remove any lingering session data that may interfere. To conclude, this simple method opens up a world of possibilities with ChatGPT 4, allowing you to harness its power entirely free of charge. With this tool at your disposal, your tasks, be it research, writing, or casual use, will become significantly more efficient and enjoyable. We hope this trick unlocks new avenues for your projects and piques your curiosity for further